everyone, and welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located on 170th Street. Today, we have this 2022 Lexus IS 350 F Sport Series 3 in the color IRIDIUM. This is an all-wheel drive 3.5-liter V6 automatic with LED headlamps and 19-inch F Sport alloy wheels. Coming to the driver's side, we have your mirror-mounted camera and turn signal, as well as your keyless entry. On the door panel, you have your memory seating, automated mirror, lock, and window buttons. You have an 8-way automated adjustable driver's seat in the F Sport circuit red interior. Beside your wheel, you have rain sensing wipers and a 360-degree camera button. On your steering wheel, you will be able to find your Bluetooth, cruise control, and your maintenance information. Headed to center console, you have a display screen that can be controlled with the touchpad. Here, you can find multiple car options, including your navigation. Heading down center console, we have your dual climate control, heated and cooling ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, mode selector with snow option, touchpad, cup holders, and your armrest storage compartment. Moving on to your headliner, we have your touch lights and your sunroof controls. Coming to the back passenger area, you have keyless entry, and you also have a middle seat armrest with hidden cup holders. Head into the trunk area where we have your backup camera, and under the carpet, you have your hidden spare tire.